Alright, so back on the new car. We're gonna try some sketchy things here. Alright, we're gonna attempt to bend this A-pillar out. I guess the window frame. What is my bar? Around here somewhere. Is it in the car? It's in the car. Oh, god damn! Alright, I gotta get this top down. Oh, oh, that was probably loud. I have a 12 hidden in here. And adjustable. Gosh. Calm down back there. So this is a solid piece of square tubing. Oh, I broke something. We're just going to strap it here in hopes that it can bend this up. And then I can like that. Oh, that's just pulling down. That's the wrong way. I wonder if it'll pull up if I do it from this side. Nope. No, it is not. Shit. I'm gonna have to put it on the tree. It's gonna be the only way. I guess I'll just go fuck myself. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully my microphone is working as well. If not, I guess I'll just talk over it at the end of this. Oh, goddamn. Ugh. The unfortunate part is I think it's bending too far over, and I'm going to have to do something about pulling it up directly on that, because it's bending it too far to the driver's side, but I need to bend it more on the passenger side. So because if I did it right there, it's just going to slip. There's nowhere to actually grab onto is the problem. Yeah. If I can just get it fucking, god damn it. This is really hard to do by myself. So on to the next idea. Shut up. Like this. Or, yeah, I ain't gonna work. It's gonna go like this. Alright. Fuck the camera. Is it gonna work or am I just gonna hurt myself? Let's find out. Jesus, dude. Well, I didn't hear any sketchy weld breaking, but it also only flexed. It didn't bend back. This fucking ice cream man is literally just creeping on me right now. Like, dude, just fucking leave me alone. I don't know how my whole neighborhood isn't just used to this by now. Like, stop looking at me. Okay, so it should be fine. I'm literally just moving the car. I'm literally just pulling it up by the suspension. That's insane. Oh, come on. Well, actually. Oh, shit. Oh! Damn it. Oh, come on. Oh, oh, it's my pry bar. Okay. All right, so late night trying to get the windshield back to where it's supposed to be. I got my bar wedged against there, wedged against the cage with a ratchet strap pulling it down. We're gonna hit it with some heat again, and then tighten the soft top and see if it's gonna close that gap the rest of the way across. And if it does, we're gonna leave the bar sit there overnight. Yeah, this is what we resorted to. Now have the pry bar ratcheted down to the cage, and we have a scissor jack in it. I ran some heat over it. It's still warm. We're gonna leave this sit for, we'll probably just leave this sit overnight and come back tomorrow, and hopefully it stays. All right, this is the next day. Let this sit all the way overnight. So hopefully it has gonna make itself stay there. All right, let's get all this taken off. All right, so doing that actually did bring me closer to being where it's supposed to be. I think once I actually latch down the top, oh, I can't put enough force on it to latch down, but hopefully once I actually bolt it down, it will be enough. We're gonna bolt it down and give it a shot. All right, so yes, we have gotten much closer. I was able to like get my whole hand in there before this. So this is a huge improvement, and I might have to just call it good. Like, it might get a little bit wet in there because it's not completely sealed, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to seal all the way since this doesn't actually have real soft top latches. It just bolts together. So I think with that, I can't put enough tension on the top to actually get it to go towards the seal all the way. So this might be good enough. I'll obviously have to bend this back as straight as possible, but I'll just mostly put sealant in there. I'm putting the Lexan window in, so hopefully I'll just be able to goop it up and be fine. So now I need to finish getting the harness out, get the dash bar back out. I'm gonna paint this again. I just couldn't decide what color I wanted it. Clean up the floor. I need to order some clear coat because I'm gonna paint the entire interior while everything's out and give it a chance to dry. Yeah. I also got to finish vacuuming up glass. There's still glass everywhere. Yummy. So to close out this video, I do want to point out that I did end up going and having gussets put between the A-pillar and the cage on both sides, and then also got this plate put in the center. This is actually holding the bow damn near perfect, much closer than it was. It was super close before, but that really put it on there. So now I should be able to get a top on there much easier and actually have it pretty flush. So I'm very excited about that. Shout out Axiom Race Fab for that. They did a killer job on it. All right, thank you.